Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a happy Halloween. Today is the 31st of October, and we're going to be talking about some very easy curbside deals. So basically, you order this stuff through your cell phone or a desktop computer, have it for pickup at the store. You drive there and go and get it, and that is a curbside pickup. Any sort of deal with register rewards, do them in store. And I did like a whole slew of them yesterday if you want to check out the video. For curbside deal, the register rewards no longer print. You have to do that as an in-store deal. So check out this video right here. I'll link it at the very end. I think I did like 3 or 4 different dealios with register rewards in store. But for today's video, we're doing shopping at home with your cell phone or desktop computer, known as curbside. That's for all the new shoppers out there. Deal number 1. I want to give a very special shout out to 2 ladies over on Instagram, Karen and Lorena, both excellent deal finders, and both of them were posting about this yesterday. These boxes of the Ferrero Rocher, there's like almost 8 ounces of chocolate inside of there. Like, guys, I tried yesterday to try to make this work to add it as a curbside pickup because the price is $3.66. But the original price is $12.99. So they're either clearing them out or this is some sort of, they've been playing around with the Ferrero Rocher prices the last couple of weeks, but I've never been able to put it as a curbside pickup. And on Sunday, for whatever reason, no matter what I try to add to my cart on Walgreens.com or through the app, can't do it. This morning, first thing, I was able to put 3 in a cart for this price for $10.98. So move ASAP. This is a very nice Christmas gift for your letter carrier, for your kids' teachers, or anybody, or just for yourself, It's a nice little gift. What I would do is add 3 to a cart for $10.98. I can only add up to 3 where I am. I know some markets will let you do multiple orders, but I could only put in 1 because that's all they had. And then I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the 98 cents. If you think about it, the original price of these boxes is $12.99 for 1. You're basically getting 3 for that cost. So use $10 in Walgreens cash, and this will make a really nice little Christmas gift for somebody special. Hey, maybe one of the cashiers at Walgreens. I just think it's a super thoughtful gift. To answer another quick question, if you go into the store, they're probably going to ring up for $12.99, so that's why you have to do this as a curbside pickup. Some stores will allow you to price modify it or price match it from the online app to in-store. Some will not, and I know my local store, they would never, ever do a price modification from me from their app to in-store. So definitely use the curbside pickup feature and do it that way. It's probably the smarter way to do it. So I would move on this one ASAP. What a fantastic deal. Next little dealio that we have. Now, yesterday, a whole bunch of digital coupons reset. So that's specifically what we're going to look at, that if you just wanted to order these from your home and just go to the store and pick them up. But all of these digital coupons did, in fact, reset. So we're going to grab 2 of the Axe body sprays. That's not a body spray deodorant. This is the coupon that reset, which is $6.75 off of 2, and that expires on Sunday. So definitely use it or lose it. This would make a really nice Christmas gift for a special guy in your life, or if you're a male couponer, a little gift pour vous. 2 of them on a BOGO 50% off is $11.23. So you've met your threshold of $10 for the curbside pickup. Plus, curbside pickup is free. We have our tax in there, $6.75 off for $5.15. I personally would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay 15 cents and dramatically laugh all the way to the bank and back. Okay, my friends, deal number 3 is another deodorant deal. So the Degree, we had another digital coupon reset. These are $6.29 on a BOGO 50% off, so a similar promotion to the Axe. Unfortunately, when you buy 2 of these in store, you will not get a $4 store register reward, so that's why we're doing it as a curbside. I grabbed 1 ladies and 1 men's, so mix and match if you wish, or grab 2 ladies and 2 men's. We're a little bit short from hitting that $10 mark, but this is the digital coupon, which is $7.50 off of 2. It basically makes them like 99 cents each, which is really cheap for deodorant. To get us to the $10 mark, I'm going to throw in one of these candies for $1.29. So looking at our overall basket, guys, we're at $10.72. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax, our manufacturer, for $3.79 for the 2 deodorants and a bag of M&Ms. Not the worst little dealio. the final curbside pickup that we have, well, this one's just not a lot of imagination, but something that every household needs, especially on Halloween. We're going to grab 3 of the Scott's Comfort Plus toilet paper priced at $5 a pop. You can either grab the toilet paper or paper towel. We have this digital coupon if you haven't used it this month, which $1.25 off of each Scott product. It's either the toilet paper or the paper towel. You can also mix and match if you wish. Grabbing 3 in your basket for $15. That IVC will amount 3 times off, so $3.75 will come off. Free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax. So the new subtotal is $11.93. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.93 and call this a really great deal for some cheap paper. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.